Today I'm going to discuss the differences between a M2 buckle with a standard base versus an M2 buckle with a anti-rotation base. The standard M2 buckle base may move or rotate when attached to an M2 extension or a custom assembly, which may be beneficial depending on the user's application. An M2 buckle with an anti-rotation tab will prevent the buckle from moving or rotating when it's attached to an M2 extension or a custom assembly. All of M2's 1" and 3/4 inch buckles are offered with both a standard and an anti-rotation base.